The double drop leaf round table with 4 foldable chairs is a versatile and space-saving furniture set that is perfect for small dining areas or compact living spaces. The table features 2 drop leaves that can be easily raised or lowered, allowing you to adjust the size of the table to accommodate your needs. When both leaves are dropped, the table becomes a compact round shape, making it ideal for intimate meals or for saving space when not in use. The set also includes 4 foldable chairs that can be conveniently stored when not in use. The chairs are lightweight and easy to fold, making them easy to transport or store in a closet or corner. Crafted from sturdy materials, this dining set is designed to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting durability. The table and chairs have a sleek and timeless design that can complement a variety of interior styles. Whether you need extra seating for guests or a functional dining solution for small spaces, this double drop leaf round table with 4 foldable chairs is a practical and stylish choice.